Hello, my dear students. I am Surbhi Agrawal, and today again I am here to teach you something about comprehensions. But before starting, first of all, subscribe to our channel, like and share the videos, and press the bell icon for the further notifications. So, let us start. So, firstly, tell me what is the other name of comprehension? You have learned it in your previous classes. The other name of comprehensions is unseen passage because the stories, poems, questions all are unseen to you. They are completely new to you. And what do they teach us? They help us to understand, to listen, and to read the story properly. Now, here I have given some points that how you should solve the passage. So, some few points I have given. Firstly, you have to read, then you have to understand the story or the poetry, whatever is given. Then accordingly, the third point is accordingly you have to answer the questions. Questions will be can be in the form of true false, fill-ups, matchings, synonyms, antonyms, question answers, choose the correct option. And how you have to answer? You have to answer as per the story only. You should not assume anything of your choice. Okay, you have to read the story and accordingly you have to answer. Now, here I have given one story, the tortoise and the hare. So what is the first point I have told here? That firstly you have to read the passage and then you have to understand it. Now read it along with me. The tortoise and the hare. There once was a speedy hare who bragged about how fast he could run. Tired of hearing him boast, slow and steady, the tortoise challenged him to a race. All the animals in the forest gathered to watch. Hare ran down the road for a while and then paused to rest. He looked back at Slow and Steady and cried out, "How do you expect to win this race when you are walking along at your slow, slow pace?" So, this story is about a tortoise and a hare, and the hare was very, you know, he was bragging that how fast he can run, and he was teasing the tortoise that you are very slow. Then the tortoise challenged him for a race. All the animals gathered around the forest. Then hare ran down the road for a while, then paused to rest. Okay, then he sat down, he turned around and saw the tortoise that he was very slow, he was moving very slowly. Then he was teasing the tortoise that you are so slow, how can you win the race? How can you expect that you can win this race? Now, see what happened next. Hare stretched himself out alongside the road and fell asleep, thinking there is plenty of time to relax. Slow and steady walked and walked. He never ever stopped until he came to the finish line. So what happened next? Hare thought that there is lot of time. I can sleep now. Okay, it's time to relax. The tortoise cannot win, so I can relax. But what was the tortoise doing? He was walking. He never stopped. He never lose his hope, and he always walked till he reached to the finish line. The animals who were watching cheered so loudly for tortoise, they woke up hare. So, see this point? The animals were cheering for the tortoise, and because of that noise, the hare woke up. And then what does the hare saw? Hare stretched and yawned and began to run again. But it was too late. Tortoise was over the line. And when the hare woke up, what did he see? He saw that the tortoise was almost towards the line. He has reached toward the line. So who was the winner at the last? The winner was the tortoise because he never lose his hope. So what is the moral of the story? Slow and steady wins the race. What do you mean by that? Who will tell me? What do you mean by this? Slow and steady wins the race. Who was slow and steady here? Tortoise or the hare? Here slow and steady was the tortoise, and since he was moving very slowly, but he did not lose hope and he finished his work till he reached the finish line. Okay, so the moral of the story is slow and steady wins the race. Okay, now in the similar way, here I have given some activities for you. Okay, some exercises I have given in the form. So we will do it one by one. Write the opposite. Opposite, we can say the antonym. So the first word is fast. So what is the opposite of fast? Tell me fast. What is the opposite of fast? Slow. Very good. Fast, slow. Next come win. What is the opposite of win? Win means lose. Very good. Next exercise is true and false. First one, the animals were cheering for tortoise. For whom the animals were cheering for? They were cheering for tortoise or for hare? They were cheering for tortoise. So answer is true. Second one, the tortoise challenges the hare for the race. So who challenged first? Tortoise challenged the hare or the hare challenged the tortoise? Is it the tortoise challenged the hare? So the answer is true. Very good. And the third one, the tortoise stretched himself along the roadside. Who slept there? Tortoise or the hare? The hare stretched himself. Okay, the tortoise was moving fast. So answer is false. Very good. Now here I have one more exercise. Take the correct answer. Okay. First one, which character was not the part of the story? Okay. Which character was not the part of the story? First, eagle. Second, hare. Third is tortoise. So which character was not the part? Answer is eagle. Good. Second, why is the hare making fun of tortoise? Why was the hare making fun of tortoise? Because tortoise was silly, tortoise is slow, or tortoise is short. So why was the hare making fun of him? Because tortoise is slow. Good. Next one, all the animals in the forest dashed to watch. So what did the animals do? They challenged to watch, they bragged to watch, or they gathered to watch. What is the answer? Answer is gathered to watch. Okay, search the answer from the passage. Answer is gathered to watch. Good. Now answer these questions. Here I have some questions. Now you have to see the passage and accordingly you have to answer them. First one, why did the hare fall asleep? Why did the hare fall asleep? Now we will move towards the story and now we will search where we have learned this. We have read it. Hare stretched himself along the roadside and fell asleep thinking there is plenty of time to relax. So this is our answer number 1. Okay, because he thought there is plenty of time to relax. Now move towards the next question. Who won the race at the last? So, who won the race at the last? The tortoise was over the line. So, tortoise was the winner at the last. Okay, this is our answer number 2. Now, the last question. What is the moral of the story? Who will tell me? What is the moral of the story? We will look towards the passage. The moral of the story is given here. Slow and steady wins the race. This is our answer number 3. Okay. So, I hope you all have understood it. Thank you.